AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix the reference account is currently logged out and may not be logged on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the reference account is currently logged, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on start menu. Here you need to type secpol.msc, then hit enter. One window box will be opened. Under that, in left side you will find account policy. You have to double click and expand that account policy. After that, you will find two options. The second option is in right side you will find account logout threshold. You have to double click on that and change the value to 0. After changing the value to 0, then click on apply, then click OK and close this window. After completion of this, you will not face this type of issue again. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the reference account is currently logged out and may not be logged on into your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.